Okay, so some kind of built-in modules are present. There are many built-in modules are present. Some of them as follow: math, random, threading, collection, OS, mailbox, string, time, kinter. Each module has a number of built-in functions which can be used to perform the various functions. So the math module, you can use the different built-in mathematical. Ceiling, it return the next integer number of given number. Square root, return the square root of a given number. Then exponential, return the natural algorithm. Floor, return the previous integer of the given number. ଯଦି କିଛି decimal number ଅଛି ତାର previous number को से convert କରିବ. Logarithm, it return the natural logarithm of the number. Power, it return the power of that number. Then we are using sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So these are the mathematical function we are using. Then random function, random module is used to generate a random number. Random, it return a random number between 0.0, 1.0, and 1.0 is exclusive. Rand int xy, it return the random number between x and y where both number are exclusive. So first of all, I will go for the mathematical function, how it is working. That I show you the ceiling function. So first of all, for working with mathematical function, import math print math dot ceiling 1.4. So it is now 1.4 is 2. Now if I pass here print math dot ceiling, suppose I pass 10.7, it is showing you 11. Okay, if you pass same thing as minus 5.6, is showing you minus. This देखो एठी होची मु यदि पास करिबी only 5.6, then what is the scenario? It is 6.
So
But
6.
when I pass here minus 5.6, that answer is different here. बुझिला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a ceiling function. Then next function is what? Square root function. SQRT function. So again, I write here import math, then print math dot sqrt sqrt9. $25, 3.0 and 5.0. This is a square root function, 3.0 and 5.0. This is square root. The next function is exponential, exp function. Then I write here
सर हम क्यूब रूट बाहर करें तो कौन लिख
कौन
क्यूब रूट
क्यूब रूट
यस सर
क्यूब रूट पर किसी नहीं फंक्शन प्री डिफाइंड फंक्शन नहीं तुम नॉर्मली अदर प्रोग्राम नहीं कर परियो the same program itinerary exponential math dot exponential 65 suppose so it is not converted, it is sorry exponential. This one return e raised to the power different number exponential. And then floor. So in the place of 1.4 is 4. 10.7 it comes to the 10. 5.6 5 minus 5.6 it is going to the previous number. It is ceiling रे कौन होतला ना -5 को नौतला ये -6 को हमारा नौतला. Okay. So it is a floor. Next is logarithm. So log function we're using. So in the place of floor, log log so it is a logarithm function we're using. This one converted to the particular logarithm. Okay. Next function is power. For the power function, here it contains two parameters, 2, 4. Five, then comma 2. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 is 16. 5 to the power 2 is 25. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
प्रियदर्शिनी, अमित, सुमेश.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harsha, how are you now? Harsha?
Sir, fine.
Okay, good.
तो या पूर्व हम सर लॉगरिथम जोटा नेले फंक्शन लॉग फंक्शन सर हम बेस डिक्लेयर करले नहीं किछि
स्पेस माने बुझ पाइलेनी लॉग रे तो किसी स्पेस
यदि लॉग
स्पेस कौन होगी
बेस बेस बेस
कौन कहला
बेस बेस
स्पेस माने कौन बुझ पाउन लॉगरिथम ने स्पेस हाँ मैं देखी दो तुम आवाज टा एक्चुअली कटुची तो बेस बेस ना बेस सेमती किसी होइबे ना तो गोटे पैरामीटर अछि एठी देखुन फंक्शन रे हमर जहाँ भी प्रोसीजर अछि जो बेस को जो रिटर्न लॉगरिथम एटा बेस जदि हमें नबा जेमदी हमें लिखा हो log 10 log 5 ओके तो ए टाइप रे नहीं परिबा देखे दो गोटे मिनट रे मो पॉइंट हिसाब ने ले सपोज 7 10 एटा देखा एठी एटा सेमती लॉगरिथम log बेस हो 2 ओके बुझ पाइलो
यस सर
Yes, sir.
then sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. It is a trigonometrical function that we are using sin 90. Okay, so you can convert it. Cos tan so sin 90 cos 60 tan 30. Okay, so it is showing you the corresponding number. Okay, so it is showing you the value of the sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. The next होची random. Random it return a random number between the two value 0.0 and 1.0. So where 1.0 is exclusive. Okay, so I show the random number. There is a one program is present. Just a minute. Just a minute. I show you one program.
रैंडम नंबर मैंने कौन जो भी मैंने से निजे किसी भी रैंडम नंबर जनरेट करियो सेही सीक्वेंस भितर
ମାନେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ରେଞ୍ଜ ଦେବା ମୁଁ ଦୁଇଟା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖେଇବି ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି ଆମେ ଯେଉଁଟାକ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଜେନେରେଟ୍ ହେବ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଜେନେରେଟ୍ ହେବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି ତ ନର୍ମାଲି ଆମେ ରାଣ୍ଡମ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଜେନେରେଟ୍ କରିବା ମାନେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ରେଞ୍ଜ ଦେବା ଆଇଦର ଆମେ ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଦେବା और आमे गोटे भ्यालु दबा जोटा कि गोटे रेंज ऑफ भ्यालु माने से रेंज भीतर हमरा भ्यालुटा शो करियो तो इंपोर्ट रैंडम तापर हमरा आसीबो प्रिंट गोटे पैकेज आमे इंपोर्ट करिवा आमे यदि रैंडम इंटीजर भ्यालु रिटर्न करिया को चाहूचे एटा यूज करिवा आमे random dot random sorry random int that is suppose 1 to 10 random int no attribute random int basically random this is not random int, this is random int. Okay, so ये program टा में जितने सारा run करिवा so it is giving you different number. Every time you execute it is showing you the different number between 1 to 10 as a random int is a between number बुझला तेरा
ତାହେଲେ ମାନେ ଏଟା ୟୁଜ କୋଉଥରେ କେମିତି ଆସିବ କୋଉଥରେ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ
ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ ଜେନେରେସନ କରିପାରିବା ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ଧର ଏୟାରଲାଇନ୍ ଏୟାର ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ ଟିକେଟ୍ କରୁଛେ ସେ ଟିକେଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ରାଣ୍ଡମ ନମ୍ବର କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ଆଗରେ ଅଲଗା ନମ୍ବର ରହିବ ୟୁନିକ୍ ନମ୍ବର
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇପାରିବ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ର ୟୁଜ କରିବା ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇବି ଆମ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ସବୁ ରେଞ୍ଜ ମାନେ ୟୁଜ କରି କରିହବ सेटा लिखा व्हाट इज रैंडम नंबर it is a module which is used to generate a random number one is we are using random, we return a random number between 0.0, 1.0, and another is rand int x and y. Rand int x and y. It generate a random number between x and y where both numbers are exclusive. So here I use some other program in import random. The we're using random int, then another is what? See there, random dot random. That is generating a this number. And if I pass another value here, it is a one program. Random dot seed 10. It's not taking. Seed is actually it is used. And again, if I run, see there, that this value is what? First, look after 899,135. 899,135. So see that it is never changes. See that I define here 5, 3, 4. Okay, so every time you execute, it is showing you the same value. If I pass here 2, then only the 2 number seed is changed.
सर रैंडम डॉट सीट এটা স্যার কোথা ইউজ করা হলো
Seed টা হচ্ছে actually ওটা এউটা হচ্ছে originating বা এউটো generate হবো নাম্বারটা। Okay, the generator create a random number based upon the seed value. মানে এই ভ্যালুକୁ ନେଇକି ସେ random number generate କରିବ। 2 ମାନେ 2 ବେଶୀ maximum ରହିବ। ବୁଝିଲା? So you cannot calculate, it is like permutation and combination, ତ ଆମେ exactly କହିପାରିବାନି କୋଉ value actually appear ହବ। ବୁଝିହଉଛି?
স্যার সারি তো 10 10 লেখা ହେଲା 2 ଲେଖା ହେଲା 5 ଲେଖା ହେଲା ତା ମାନେ କଣ
ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଏଇ ବେସ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ସେ ନେଇ କରିବ। ଦେଖ 10 ଲେଖିଲେ କ'ଣ ରହୁଛି, ସେ ଏଇଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଅଛି। ଯଦି 100 ଆମେ ନବା, ସେ ଏଇ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁକୁ ନେଇକି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବ। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସିଡ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ, ମାନେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ସେ ବେସ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ନବ। ବୁଝିଲା? The seed ଯଦି ଆମେ କହିବା, it is a method initialize the random number generator. random number generate କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା seed value ଆମେ use କରିବା, and basically the seed number generator need a number to start a value, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ number starting କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା use କରାଯିବ। ଏଇଟା କୁହାଯାଏ seed method. Okay, initialize the random number generator in single word. ବୁଝିଲା?
ସ୍যার ସ୍যাର ଟିକେ ଇନିସିଆଲି
ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଠି list define କରିବା। apple, banana, cherry। ଏଠି ଆମେ random dot random list ଆମେ ଏଠି ପାସ୍ କରିବା random dot choice you're getting a value my list। first is banana, then it comes with apple। Okay, so this is a random dot choice method। the choice method return a randomly selected element from the specified sequence। So right, what is choice?
ସ୍যার ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ ହଁ
This method return randomly selected element from the specified sequence। Okay, so in next class I will go for the other example of random। Okay, so I covered till random choice, then I will show you how to generate the password। Okay, so tomorrow at the same time I will connect 12:30। ओके
12:30 से।
हाँ 12:30
ठीक सर।